I think it's just too open. It's not detailed enough on that one. But there are some good ideas in here.
Okay.
To review.
So should we start with ours, our old policy, and then just kind of go down and
here.
Okay.
And I don't know if you realize, or
This is
ICREMP's
yeah.
example of a vehicle policy.
Okay.
So, and we at some point we had in 2010 we had implemented their policy just as an example. So we definitely need to.
Did you see if this one from the one you handed us, does it have anything about maintenance?
Yes, they do. They have.
Because that's one of my biggest concerns, and that's one of the things we're going to really push on.
They do have that. I know we still need to. I have that.
Yep.
I have that Shoshone County Vehicle Checklist form.
Okay.
Which I think should be implemented into it as well.
Okay. Yeah, because I have that one as well.
Yeah. But they do have that. They do have the IRS stated in here.
Okay.
But on page 102, that's the one I'm talking about. L. Non-employees may operate a vehicle. So that's.
So yeah, I think we probably need to maybe
specify on ours. I mean, either get rid of it altogether or specify, be more detailed. I mean, I could see if, they have an airport.
Okay. Yeah, we don't do that here.
So that's one that I would probably remove.
Okay.
Because it really doesn't pertain to us or our county.
To us. Yeah, and it's kind of.
And it's in our policy too.
Mm-hmm. And it's kind of ambiguous.
Yes.
Okay.
But there is.
And that was B on ours. And we talked about that before.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just strike that.
Yeah.
Okay.
That needs to be removed. I just think that theirs has maybe a little bit more detail on some of the. We have similar, but maybe not as detailed.
Okay.
I think we're kind of missing out there. We need to add a little more detail. Like you can see. You can kind of compare, down the list of ours to theirs, and you see that theirs is similar to ours, but they just have more teeth in it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, like with the that talks about the IRS, like ours just talks about some employees may be assigned a vehicle driven home as personal use, if allowed, may be a taxable benefit.
Mm-hmm.
So that needs to be
Ours
clarified.
is a little more. Yes, theirs is
something that we did not discuss, or they didn't discuss before, and that needs to be discussed.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because there's no okay. So you think I think we should be more clear on that, on the IRS tax overgrant.
Absolutely.
Because I know if trying to think how that works.
Yeah.
I didn't bring my other one here. Let's see what Warner County has to say. I think they're revamping theirs too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Like I said, I
So right now we can. You want to just? Should we go start from the top? Because I know we got to section B last time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we were looking at C. And we wanted to kind of revamp the maintenance a little bit more,
Yes.
to put it more on the employee to ensure that the vehicles are maintained. And then you came up with this list.
Yes. But we've been given other examples too. That we could implement into this if we wanted. I mean, most of it's already here,
Okay.
but I think it's important to have that in every
Yeah,
county
I would
vehicle.
agree. So it's traceable.
Yep.
Okay. And I think with the ambulance or the fire department, they use an app.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know how much that app costs.
Yeah. Well, and this is kind of old school, but
Yeah, it's free.
but it's yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So let's do a little bit more research on C to see how we want to implement the county vehicle checklist form into
Yeah,
that.
I think that they have. Let me find it. They do have it here. They do have a maintenance part in theirs as well.
But they really don't refer to any forms or anything that they fill out.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Which that won't be too difficult
Okay.
to get something in there, added in there
Okay.
for a
For a checklist.
Yep.
Okay. So add checklist language.
Mm-hmm.
And then number 4, it says participate in vehicle and defensive driving training as required by Shoshone County. I don't think we have that, and I don't know if we want it. We probably should look into that,
And
because
maybe
I don't
discuss
just
it with
removing
ICANN.
it. Yeah,
too.
discuss it keeping it or removing it, because if we don't use it, then we might as well